Hello everyone, this is Peggy Lee Designs. My name is Peggy. I know I did that entry a little different, trying to get everything set up. Today is going to be an unboxing and a haul, which a lot of this has to, in fact all of it has to do with diamond painting. First the haul. Here is the mic I said I was going to get. I have the mic that goes with the camera on right now, but I haven't done a test run with this one, so I didn't want to use it in case it didn't, work with my camera. But, yeah, I will show you. Whoops! And I opened it upside down. Of course I did. Oh no. Where'd everything go? Okay. Got the fuzzy covers. Got some other covers too. And here is one. You get two. And this is the part that I would put on my shirt, and it a piece of plastic on it. It's magnet, so it just, oops, there we go. But yeah, I would put it on, and then I think, oh yeah, it has the on-off switch. But like I said, we haven't been, my son's going to help me test it and everything. Here's all the bits and pieces. I'm not exactly sure. There's the other thing. Oh, and this, let me get this. This is the part that I hook into my camera, and then, I don't know. Like I said, my son knows more about it than I do, so hopefully it'll work. This was $30 from Amazon. Don't need to lose the paper that goes with it. Let's see. Get all the thing. It's from. It's Dick wireless lavalier. I don't know that word. Lavalier. Microphone, 3-in-1. You got two. See the fuzzy cover, or you got just the regular cover, and the I guess the workings. But I will let you know how it goes. And here is the funnel that I bought for the bags that I got, except there's a problem. The bags are too big, so this is for smaller bags. You would slide the bag bottom in here, and this is going to be sort of a long video, and that would go in there, and then you would pour your drills in here, and you would have them. I have been doing that. Did some last night. Oh, I didn't know I had so many extra DMC square drills. I haven't even started with the round ones, so because I haven't finished the square ones, but I still, and I'm going to put it into my box that I got just for this. But as you see, I still got a lot to switch over. Because these, you know, whoops. See, these would fit, you know, because you put it over there, you slide the bag in there. See, that would work. But I wanted like a they're 3x4s, and they're really, really sturdy. Oh, and these are the DMC numbers that I'm using that come with get one out. These square bottles that I got from Amazon, the 40-piece bottles. That is what these come with. I got two, since I bought two of them, so I've got one for the round drills. So I'm set there. Oh, but yeah, I bought 1,000 zip bags. It's like, okay, well, resealable bags. Let's see, where are they from? Spartan Industrial reclosable zip bag, 4 mil heavy duty, and I was wanting sort of 6 mil, but I couldn't find any. But yeah, I got these, and I bought 1,000. This is heavy. Look at this zip bag. That's pretty cool. I don't know how many is in each zip bag, but it should last a while, right? But I have this many left of one bag. So I was exhausted last night. It's like, I can't do anymore. I need to get some sleep, get up, do my video for today, and then I'll get back at it. Oh, that's heavy. Now, plus before I get started on this, I think I will show you. I'm doing this for an event, dragons. This is my dragon. I put, this is as far as I've got. This is an update on that. This is from Mate Market. Let's see, do I have a box around here anywhere? Nope. Oh well. I'll show that later. Another day. Speaking of boxes. Okay, here is the diamond pane I bought for next month's diamond. Oh, and that event is hosted by, oh, I can't think of her name. Diamonds and Stuff. I can't remember her name though. But go to her. I love her videos. It's all about dragons, and I love, 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 love dragons. But look at this. I have repaired this as much as I could. I've got tape here, because that was, no, this side. I got tape here, and I've got tape here, and this is just, the box it came in is fine. I don't know why this is like this, but that's tore. This part was tore off, practically tore off, so I just tore the rest of it off. I don't know, but like I said, the shipping box is fine. But this is Simply Dots. I think it's in with diamond dots. It is called Haar, D-E. I don't know if I can show that to you. It's okay. It's capital D and little E, then capital H-A-A-R. De Haar Medieval Castle in Holland. I got it for Diamond Painter Anonymous paint along for next month because hers is water or ocean, and it's got a little bit of water. Oh, you can tell around here. It's like it's got a moat. So I think, hey, that'll work. That's the moat right there. That upsets me. But there's nothing I can do about it. It's a big, rounds, 30 colors. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. For a dot count of 21,840. Like I said, rounds. 52 by 34.5 centimeters, or 20.5 by 13.6 inches. I can't wait to get started. But that's next month. Let's get through this month first. Here is your basic toolkit. And here are the drills. We'll look at them in a little bit. Let's look at this. Okay, come on. We don't want to tear the... There we go. Didn't want to tear it. There. It's going to have an instruction sheet. Yeah, I think. Nope, no instruction sheet. Okay. Let me try to straighten this out. Whoops. Get right there. Don't need drills everywhere. I'm not sure if it's got any special. We will see. Oh, look at that. It's got some water there. I would think, like, all of this is like the water because it just shows the reflection of the thing. I'm not sure. But let's see if we can straighten it out just a little bit. That tree is going to be a lot of confetti. I got so much on my desk, I'm not really sure if I can get it straight. Now, over here. Okay. That helped a little bit. What do you think? Oh, it's going to be so pretty. It is a full. It's not a partial. I don't think Simply Dots does partials. I'm not sure. Ooh, that castle is so pretty. Oh, that's got a... Let's do this. Straighten that out. I found that once you do that, you can pull on the canvas. Oh, sorry about that. And it will help straighten all the kinks out. There we go. Oh, that's so pretty. And I like the border. I think it's so pretty. That is. It's got a lot of line block in here. So I don't think it's, and color blocking up at the top also. Oh, color blocking, but this is two different colors. It's got a slash and a J. Yeah, and an L. So it's about 2 or 3 colors up for the blue. So it's not completely one big color blocking thing. But it will go fast. Got pretty clouds. That's going to be so pretty. But there is confetti, like I said, with the, let's see how many colors we got in the trees. Quite a few. Quite a few. Wow, that's, I was like, oh, I want to get into it. But I waited. We can ooh and all over it together. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Okay, let's look at the drills. Let's see if we have any. It doesn't say whether or not, but possibility, I don't know. And it's a possibility that I might put some in, right? Okay. Where is the number 1? Okay. Come on. Cooperate, please. Some pretty colors. Oh, come on. No glare. There's a big. I was looking to see if it was 3/10, but this is Simply Dots from Diamond Dots, so you know it's going to be their own stuff. Let's see if there are any. No, it's just licensed from Shutterstock. So I might look that castle up and see what it really looks like. Some pretty colors. I don't have in my mind what I'm going to kit it up with, into, but that will be by the end of, it might be this that I've got my thing, because it needs to be done, at the, for this month, so I'll probably just save this and do it in there, since it's got 30 colors and this is 56 sections. I should hold it. Oh, that's a pretty red. About like the 666, isn't it? The equivalent of the 666. Christmas red. That is definitely in, let's see, 20. That's got to be in the tree. Yes. That pretty green is in the tree. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. And will you stop getting all twisted up, please? Some more tree. That's going to take probably a row, at least 3 sections. That's a good thing that I will do it in the one with 56 colors. That's pretty. That's a big thing of brown, which is, let's see, 25. Which one is that? That's in the castle. In the, I would say the, I hope this is not all the water. I would think it's not all the water, but this looks like it could be reflections of the castle, so that's where this goes. And probably some of the tree. Yeah, and the tree. So, that's a pretty blue. That's the sky. Oh, we do. Okay, that is their AB, I guess. But that is so pretty. That's got to be in the sky, in the clouds. Jeez. Yep. It's in all the clouds. Clouds are going to shine. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Look at the shine. I hope that comes across. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a lot. That is pretty. Okay. I'm going, let's see, where's my phone? I'm going to look to see if we can find a picture of the Haar Castle. Images. Ooh. Look at there. That's so pretty, but I don't see. Oh yeah, it does have a lot of water. So maybe that is, I don't know. I don't think it is, because that looks like there's a lot of up under the main castle part. Right there. So this might not be reflections, but there is a lot of water. Oh, it's beautiful. I've always wanted to go to Holland. Look at that castle. Look, let's get the glare off of it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, I'm glad I get to do it. That is pretty. Oh, you can get tickets to go to it. Utrecht, U-T-R-E-C-H-T, the Netherlands, is the largest castle in the country. Ooh, I got a special one there. Known for its fairy tale neo-Gothic architecture, opulent interiors, and extensive grounds featuring moats, towers, and beautiful gardens. Originally a medieval structure, it was rebuilt in the late 19th and early 20th centuries by architect Pierre Coopers or the Van Zuylen family. I know I'm butchering those names, I'm sorry. Incorporating modern luxuries like electricity and central heating alongside historic collections. Today it's a popular museum attraction with lavish gardens, a chapel, and a maze, offering a glimpse into the extravagant lifestyle of its former residents. Ooh, very interesting. Wow, not bad. Tickets are only $22. That's not bad at all. Have something like that in the United States, it definitely would not be that cheap. Okay, let's see if we can, let's just put this over here. I'll put them up later. That's too, okay, but here's another look at the, oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. We will be having, well, I am going to try my best to finish this one, my dragon, and then we will get this up together for next month. Oh, they're so pretty. I hope you like that. Let me know what you think. Let's see. Get out everything that I got. I'll just get a few of those. I'm not going to put this big box over here. I think that's all I got. These 4 things. These come in a package from the Upstruck. I ordered all this together, but this one come from the post office. Why split it up? I do not know. But anyway, well, I have almost a non-usable funnel. It would be used, but not for those. I mean, I can still use them because I mean, they're pretty thick. Pretty thick. But see, I can't put the, thing. But it does work if you hold on to it, and then you can pour the drills in here. But, oh well. Didn't know it wasn't going to fit. They didn't say which one it goes, what size bag to use, so I didn't want a smaller bag. I wanted at least, these are 3x4s. I don't know if I told that. 3 inch by 4 inch. 4 mil. I guess that's how thick they are. I wanted 6, but I couldn't find any 6 ones because I really wanted them. I wanted them to set up in the box, but that's okay. As I said, let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Hit the little bell icon, and that way you'll be notified of my next video. And until then, I hope you have a great rest of your day and a safe and happy 4th of July, which is, let's see, today's the 2nd, I think. Is today the 2nd? No, it's the 3rd. So happy 4th of July for tomorrow. Safe, safe, safe. Go watch the thing. But if you are going to fire fireworks, please be safe. But don't eat too much. We're going to have burgers and hot dogs. But just us 3 at the house. But yeah, like I said, have a very great rest of your day and a safe and happy 4th of July and weekend. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.